Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about present simple and present continuous. So let's analyze the following sentence. When the T-Rex is watching us, the others walk in the valley. What do you think is the difference? Let's check some general information. So we use simple present to talk about fixed habits or routines, true facts or permanent situations. In time markers, we can use adverbs of frequency, okay? Meanwhile, present continuous are sentences that are talking about things that are happening right now, okay? Or actions that are going to finish soon. And there we can use expressions like at the moment, these days, now, or nowadays. Let's check some examples. I usually wake up at 5 a.m. This is a permanent situation. It's something that always happens. Now I'm waking up at 7 a.m. because of vacations. Vacations is a temporary situation, okay? So write an example where you can show a permanent and a temporary situation. Piece of cake, right? So now let's mix them. We can mix them using conjunctions. In this case, we are going to use when and while. We're going to use when we are going to introduce a complete event. In this case, we are going to use simple present. For example, he is walking back to his flat when he hears an explosion. Okay, so when and then a simple present sentence comes, right? Meanwhile, while help us to introduce a temporary event. So in this case, we are going to use present continuous. For example, he reads his book while he is waiting for the bus. Okay, thank you, and now it's time for you to practice by yourself. Bye!